Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Ellen. Have you seen my new Barbie movie? Well, I have, and I wanted to make something pink for dinner. And I thought, how about we make some pink pasta? And I'll show you how to make it without coloring too. Come and see. First, you need to cook your pasta. Oh wait, that's not how you do it, right? That's not how you do it. You have to boil some water first. Now you have to let this boil. Now the water's boiling and you have to cook your pasta. Oops. Maybe do it this way. Be careful, it's really hot. And now you can let it cook until it's soft enough for you. Any way you like it is fine. Coming, Barbie! She can't wait for this pink pasta. Now while this pasta is cooking, we're gonna make some pink sauce for it. Now we're just gonna whip up some ready-made bechamel. This isn't pink though, is it? Do you know what's really red and can make the sauce pink? Of course you do! Beetroot! Now we're just gonna use some pickled beetroot. Careful because it stains everything. And now mix it up. Maybe we should add a couple more. Let's make this even pinker. That's really pink. Look at the pink sauce we made. Isn't it so good? And you can season it with anything you want so it can be more tasty. Our pasta is ready. Now we need to drain it and put the sauce in. Now we're gonna add this sauce to the pasta. You can add as much as you want. But now we need to heat the sauce up too. That's so pink. Almost done, Barbie, don't worry. And there you have it, your pink pasta. Look at that, it's so pink. You wanna try it? Let's go. Wow, isn't this so good? It's so good. Even better than I thought. Try it out and see how it is. And look how pink it is. Wow, this is just so good. This only took about 10 minutes. That's really easy. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.